Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about enumerations in Dart. Enumerations, often referred to as enums, are a powerful feature in Dart that allow you to define a fixed set of named constant values. They provide a way to represent a group of related items or states in a more readable and type-safe manner. Very well. Open up dartpad.dev and let's start programming and talk about enums. To declare a simple enum in Dart, we use enum keyword followed by the enum name and a list of constant values. For example, enum color, red, green, blue, and yellow. For real example, in projects, I use enums to show network connection status or API response status like this. Enum connection status connected, disconnected, connecting, and error. And enum API status success, error, loading, and no internet. Alright, let's talk about using enums. You can use enums in your code by referencing the enum name followed by a dot and the specific value. For example, color favorite color equals color dot blue. Print favorite color. I run the code and you can see the favorite color in the console. Alright, let's talk about enums, properties, and methods. Enums in Dart come with some built-in properties and methods. The first property I want to talk about is the index property. Each enum value has an index property that returns its zero-based position in the enum. For example, I have an enum of days and I went to get the index of Monday. Print index of Monday equals $, curly brackets, days dot Monday dot index. I run the code and you can see Monday's index in the console. Alright, let's talk about values property. The values property returns a list of all enum values. For example, for var day in days dot values, values, print day. I run the code and you can see the values in the console. Alright, let's talk about name property. Since Dart 2.15, you can access the name of an enum value using the name property. For example, print days dot Monday dot name and print days dot Saturday dot name. I run the code and you can see the names in the console. Very well. Thank you for watching, and if this video was useful for you, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. I will see you in the next video.